Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Suruchi from Suru's Diary, Life of Indian Mom in Oman. And in today's vlog, I am going to share a recipe that is very ancient recipe, old recipe from Bihar. It's called kachri, dal kachri, masoor dal kachri. I am going to make it today. ये बारिश के सीज़न में घर घर में खाई जाती है बिहार में, so मैं आपके साथ वो शेयर करने जा रही हूँ. Ingredients required for this recipe are onion, garlic, masoor, red lentil. Here I have taken 200 grams and two medium-sized onions are enough. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, because garlic is the main essence that will give the essence or flavor to the dish. 3 to 4 green chilies. Now we will peel and chop onion into small pieces. We don't want big chunk of onions to disturb taste of our dal or lentil, so we'll make really fine pieces. Similarly, we will peel and add garlic to the red lentil. We are going to grind red lentil and garlic together, and onions will be added later on. Few dishes have our childhood memory attached with it, and same is with this dal kachri. बचपन में जब बारिश शुरू होती थी, then my grandmother used to say that चलो आज दाल कचटी खाएंगे, and this masoor dal really takes very less time to get soaked, so they used to soak it in hot water, और फिर उसको सिलबट्टे पे roughly उसको कचटा जाता था. In भोजपुरी कचटा means roughly grounded. So that's why this recipe is called dal kachri. We roughly grind the dal, masoor dal, with garlic, and we add chopped onions. If available red coriander, green coriander, then you can add green coriander too. So this is the reason that this recipe is called dal kachri. अब हम इसमें हाफ टेबल स्पून जीरा और काली मिर्च, ब्लैक पेपर ऐड कर देंगे. ब्लैक पेपर की तासीर जो है वो हॉट होती है, इसीलिए हमें बारिश के सीजन में इसे खाना चाहिए. और अभी हमारे पास सिलबट्टा तो है नहीं, तो हम इसे मिक्सर ग्राइंडर में ही जस्ट 1 और 2 सेकेंड्स के लिए ग्राइंड करेंगे, सो दैट आवर दाल डजंट गेट्स स्मैश्ड इनटू स्मूथ पेस्ट. वी जस्ट वांट कोर्स पेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. Grinded it for 2 to 3 seconds and it's ready. Now we will take it out in a big bowl. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder, salt. Now we'll add chopped onion and green chilies. Green chilies pieces I have kept big so that one who doesn't like spicy can take it out easily. Now we'll mix it nicely so that the chunks of onions that are there, they also get smashed nicely. Now we'll put pan on heat, and once it's hot we'll put mustard oil. This pakoda tastes yum in mustard oil, and otherwise you can use any oil that you use, be it peanut oil or sesame oil or any other oil. We should be sure that oil is fully hot. Once oil is hot, we'll fry our kachri on medium to low flame. If one side is done, then turn it upside down and let it get cooked from other side. We will cook it on low to medium flame for longer so that onion and dal all get cooked nicely. Fry it till it's golden brown and crisp in texture. And it's done. Enjoy with chutney or ketchup, anything that you like. Traditionally, it is served with a chutney that is prepared with homemade pickle, garlic and green chili. It's a different recipe. I will share soon that one too. You must have heard many times that eating pakoda in monsoon is good. The reason is that to absorb vitamin D also we need a good fat. So eating fried food once in a month is not bad, even if you are on a diet. Even the dietitian Rutuja Divedikar supports of eating seasonal foods, the food that are coming in our hierarchy, in our coming from ancient time. So this monsoon, if you feel like trying some pakoda, then give it a try and share your reviews with me in comment section. So give try to this easy peasy tea time snacks. To see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.